Something changed overnight, and every glance across that yard feels uncomfortable. Those ugly brown patches seem small today, yet tomorrow they could become the first thing neighbors notice from every sidewalk, driveway, window, porch, fence, or street. Relax, because this video shows exactly how ordinary homeowners restore worn grass quickly, cheaply, safely, without expensive treatments, confusing products, unnecessary chemicals, hidden tricks, or professional crews. Before starting, tell me where you're watching from: USA, UK, Australia, or somewhere else entirely. Please subscribe, stay until the ending, enjoy each moment, and discover simple steps that transform tired turf fast. Starting today. The first step starts with a simple question: what are those brown spots actually trying to tell you? Most homeowners assume dead grass is the problem, so they rush to buy fertilizer, seed, or weed killer. That mistake wastes money, because a brown patch is usually a symptom, not the cause. Walk outside and get close to the damaged area. Look at the grass blades instead of the whole lawn. Are they dry and crispy, soft and slimy, or simply faded and dull? That tiny difference changes everything. Dry, brittle grass usually points to heat stress or lack of deep watering. Soft or matted grass can suggest a fungal problem. Circular patches with a darker green ring around the edge often come from pet urine. Thin areas where water runs off instead of soaking in usually mean compacted soil. Notice something important here. None of those problems are solved by randomly spreading lawn products across the entire yard. They each need a different fix. A quick test tells you more than most expensive treatments. Push a screwdriver into the soil. If it slides in easily, moisture is probably reaching the roots. If it stops after an inch or two, the ground has become hard and compacted, and the roots are struggling even if the surface looks wet. Another clue appears after watering. Does the brown area stay dry while the surrounding grass gets darker? That means water is not penetrating evenly. Many lawns look thirsty when the real problem is that moisture cannot reach the root zone. Pay attention to the shape of the damage. Random irregular patches usually suggest watering or soil issues. Nearly perfect circles often point to fungus or pet activity. Long strips that follow mower patterns may indicate scalping from cutting too short. This is where most people get fooled. Brown grass is not always dead grass. Grass can go dormant during heat and drought. It turns brown to protect itself, almost like a tree dropping leaves during a stressful season. The roots may still be alive and waiting for better conditions. Pull gently on a few blades. If they resist and remain attached, the lawn still has a strong chance of recovering. Here is the mistake that catches almost everyone: they water every day. That sounds logical, but shallow daily watering trains roots to stay near the surface. Then the next hot week arrives, and those weak roots dry out even faster. Deep watering once or twice a week is usually far more effective, because it encourages roots to grow downward where moisture lasts longer. Take 5 minutes and map your brown spots mentally. Sunny areas, shaded corners, places near sidewalks, spots where dogs spend time, and sections that receive heavy foot traffic all tell different stories. The pattern is often more important than the color itself. Once you know whether the problem is heat, water, soil, fungus, or pet damage, the solution becomes surprisingly simple. The next step is the one most lawn companies hope you never learn, because it can restore those brown patches before anyone realizes your lawn was ever in trouble. Stay with me, because the difference between a lawn that rebounds and one that keeps getting worse often comes down to a single adjustment most homeowners overlook completely every season. Now you know what those brown spots are actually saying. In the next part, I'll show you the fastest recovery method that revives damaged grass without wasting money on unnecessary products. Most homeowners never try it, and that's exactly why their lawns keep getting worse every single summer after year.